If you're a grown-ass adult still leaving skid marks in the toilet, I don't care how embarrassing this is, you need to hear this. Not even just skid marks if your poop is sticky, greasy, or you use half the roll of toilet paper every time you go. These are literal red flags that your gut is screaming for help. And nobody talks about how your body holds on to trapped waste everywhere. And I'm talking about puffy face, puffy midsection, all that. And if you don't do something to help your body get it out, then how do you think your body's gonna get it off? That's why you see all these celebrities, influencers talking about how they ate salad for a whole week, yet they're still bloating and nothing is working. And take it from me when I say this, I've tried everything when it comes to the gut health. The chia seeds, the fiber, the stuff that makes you want to throw up. Like, none of it worked, and it felt like a whole marketing gimmick just to get me to buy. And if it wasn't for this doctor that's here on TikTok that told me it's more of a band-aid approach rather than actually approaching the problem, which is gut health. And he said there was only two things you really need. One is good bacteria that outweigh the bad bacteria, which comes from a lot of the fast food that we eat. And two, you're gonna need something that breaks down the food properly so that it doesn't just sit in your gut, which causes the bloating, the gas, the constipation, all of it. So since then, I've been taking the pre and postbiotic and apple cider vinegar from Goli. The pre and postbiotic helps bring in the good bacteria to help outweigh the bad bacteria. The apple cider vinegar helps balance your sugar, but also fights the bad bacteria to help get it all out. Now, I also take this ashwagandha. It's kind of a plus one on top of the other two. It mainly helps with reducing stress, but also a little bit of that bloating. And the reason I love this brand so much is because they're made with scientifically backed ingredients, and it doesn't even feel like placebo. Like, you can check the reviews on this thing. And when I buy these, I use a little discount code so I save some money. So if you want to try this stuff out, I'll leave a link to the bundle down below, but make sure you use this discount code to check out. These have been selling out pretty fast because of how cheap they are, so I grab them now before they're completely gone.